So we're starting week 16 against the Browns, and then week 17 against the Eagles because I was sad. I'm a Bills fan. If you guys didn't know that, I'm a Bills fan. So I was really sad, really mad, really everything about it. But we need to win. We need to win the game. So we're gonna win, and we might do some few trades right now. Actually, Josh Allen has to stay, bro. But you know who I really need to give? We have no wide receivers. I think we have to. I think
here are a player's motive.
I think he's saving us right now. In real life, I can't trade him away. Oh wow. Oh, the trade deadline. We'll have to get rid of the trade deadline. So, yeah. And if you are new to this, I am streaming right now. I'm locked in actually. Like really locked in. So, yeah. I just play the moments. So it's all faster for everybody. I don't play every game. After this, we'll sim the rest of the games. Oh, we're starting with the ball. Josh Allen, come on. I think we do a run up the middle here.
First tone of the game.
Get off me.
And they'll stop him after
Nice.
First down run, nabs him 5. Now 2nd and 5.
Okay, this is the second play of the drive. Let's go. Dalton Kincaid. Oh, yeah. Way to hold on to the football, buddy. Get off me. That's touchdown. Wow. This is my first time with a webcam. So I'm always talking to the webcam on stream. So, yeah. This is my first video with a webcam. So you know who's behind foolery. Oh my goodness, Dalton Kincaid again. Dalton Kincaid again. Only 3 people are better than Dalton Kincaid, and I'm not gonna be up for suggestions.
Right back to Kincaid, complete.
That was a bad ball. Psych, Josh Allen does not throw bad balls, so we're gonna lock in. See, I'm the biggest. Sorry, I need to stop seeing my videos. Off me. James Cook. Oh my goodness, we're not gonna get it. I don't play Madden, so don't come after me. I just downloaded Madden. Got it. Shakira.
Seems like he knew exactly where he was going with that.
I think we trade if we don't make the play. Well, we will. But if we could not make the playoffs this year. Josh Allen go. Josh Allen go. That's Superman. That's Superman. Hey, that's Superman. Oh my goodness. I'm wearing hold on, look. I'm wearing a Josh Allen jersey right now, so yeah. So let's go Bills. If you see me looking down in this video, look, I have it on my screen. I have it on my screen. I'm watching it. So yeah. So I'm here to have fun. So I like that drive. If we're losing, I will jump in. But okay, they score. Okay, now we're on offense. 3rd down. What do we do on 3rd down? We threw a slant over the middle to Shavers or Palmer or Dalton Kincaid. I mean, he dropped the football. Oh my goodness, you bunch of frauds, boy! I was just gassing you up too. Oh, we're going for it. We'll have to kick a 50. Okay.
That's disappointing because that was 3rd and manageable and an incomplete.
I missed it. Oh my goodness. My bad. That was my bad. Dang, bro.
On 1st down, Allen. On the move, headed right. Looking slant route.
Now we go score. Oh, get off of me! Get off of me! Oh my goodness. Bro, I love playing Madden when I do, but I barely be playing Madden. What? Wow. Wow. We're locked in there.
Now this is a list that hurts a lot more this time of year. They need
dang, we got everybody injured. Oh my.
Fights for a spot in the postseason.
Oh my goodness. I think if I no, James Cook's in this football. Who's never mind.
Every team's
Oh.
fighting for a playoff spot, Kate. In the same boat at this point. It's a
Bro.
war of attrition. And who's
Josh
got
Allen,
the
what are we
one
doing?
standing and
That was a
fighting
terrible
at the
read
end?
by me.
Often the ones who make the postseason run.
Okay, I think we
So
go.
that prior incompletion. It's third down.
I think I'm giving it to Shakira
To the
here.
air again.
Shakira, Shakira. Get off me!
Sometime right. That's the line. He's going to run for it. And this is gonna be
Get
out
off of
bounds.
him!
Defense catches up to him near that 45.
Oh my goodness, I don't know how I escaped that.
Markers are reset.
Oh,
Here we go.
I
Ball at the
escaped that.
44.
Oh, that's hilarious. Palmer over the mirror, over the middle.
Throwing now on first down. Allen
Palmer.
finds him over the middle. And
Let's
he'll manage what he
go,
can up to the 48.
Oh,
Former first
time out.
rounder Devin Bush making
I
the
didn't. I
play.
was not looking at the clock. I was like
Bills
playing
are gonna
football.
Go ahead and call their
Okay.
first time out. This is 2nd and 6 coming up.
Shakira. Shakira.
Here's Allen.
Shakira.
Escapes the pocket.
I thought I saw your face.
Thrown towards running back, but he comes up.
I need to stop singing. I need to stop
Complete.
singing, bro.
Now they're facing third down.
Fairly safe to say as that one falls incomplete this first half so far.
Okay,
It's not met the standards
I think we
they
do a
set for
Minecraft stream after
themselves.
this. Motion, Donkey Kate over.
Allen
Hit him.
on third down. Has him on the quick hitter.
Get off me!
He'll pick up enough to move the chains.
So,
Buffalo calls it second time out of the half. And they still have one in their pocket for what's left of this half. Markers are reset. Here we go. Ball at the 44. Again, Allen to the air. Trying for the deep ball.
oh my goodness, I got hit when I
Down to
threw it.
12 seconds remaining.
That was it. That was their chance to escape this series. They were looking for
Okay.
a way out without
It's
giving
fine.
up any
We can shoot.
points, and that was
It's
their
just
ticket
fine, but-
off the field. Unfortunately,
Wait.
it just couldn't quite hang on.
Wrong guy. Hey.
And this one falls
Oh my goodness, that was the wrong
incomplete,
guy.
so
Hit the
we're
wrong
down to 4
button. Oh my
seconds,
goodness,
and
now
we
I'm
just still
selling.
have our final snap.
I'm selling.
All right, this is going to be the play that takes us to halftime.
Hats, lock in. That's what I do.
Final throw before the break. A massive shot towards the end zone. Oh, again, it looks like a pick, but
Okay.
they drop it. A chance to steal it away in the end zone.
By the way, I'm going to
Just
see the
can't
Browns
finish
this
the
weekend
play.
against the Bengals. Moments. Okay. Okay. See if we can get a first down here.
Allen throw on 3rd and 1. Bails out of the pocket quick. He's going to run for it. He's got
Go
room
Josh.
to roll.
Go Josh. Go Josh.
That 17
I should have skipped there.
You keep this drive moving, partner. Here's another 1st and 10. Now the shotgun give to Cook. And not much for it there.
on.
He's down to the 15-yard line. Only 2 yards, and it brings up 2nd and 8. Allen looking to throw.
Oh.
He rolls to his right. He dropped the interception.
Oh
That
my
was a
goodness, that
risky
should have been
ball.
intercepted.
Check down of all things.
That should have been
Went the
intercepted.
other way,
Oh
but
my
only
goodness.
an incompletion on 2nd down. Rolling out to his left. Making the call himself.
Get off of him.
And this drive is going to continue.
I jumped over one of
He's
them. I
taken
jumped over
down
one
to
of them.
2 on 3rd down. And they've got themselves a 1st and goal.
I don't think we go James Cook as number. I think we go Josh.
Design
No, we
bootleg
don't.
here.
Please. Oh my goodness! I did get the ball out.
That's an incomplete pass. Takes
My
him to
offensive
2nd
line
down.
is crumbling. Okay, we do double slants, and then Shakira should be open. Shakira. Bro, I can't get the ball out. I can't get the ball out. Oh my goodness, this is bad. I think we go James Cook right up the middle, actually. Get in there. Get in there! Yes! Touchdown, Buffaloes! Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on, brody. Come on, buddy.
Handoff now to Judkins.
Got him.
Slipped that initial tackle. Stops made for no gain
Come
on
on.
that 1st down play.
We have behind the Bengals. We're behind the Bengals in defense. So we need to.
Nothing doing on the last
Lock in on
run.
defense
It's
here.
2nd and 10.
I'm going to see Shador Sanders in real life.
Out of the gun. Here's
Jesus.
Sanders.
Jesus!
Brought in.
Come on.
And he's tackled
Come
for
on.
a short gain.
I don't like playing defense because it's like, I don't know. I just feel like weird. Cole Bishop? Oh my goodness.
I know they're physical, but to go into double coverage, take that contact and come away with the catch.
Ain't no way. That's our ball!
Interception.
That's our ball!
Poyer has it.
Oh my
And the
goodness.
Bills
That's
will take
our
over as this gets
ball.
brought out to the
Let's
20-yard line.
go. Come on. Let's go.
First and 10 now from the 46.
Excuse me.
Throwing here, Allen. Headed out right.
Oh, go.
He can run
Go.
it.
Go, Josh. Go. Hey.
And this is all
He
the
got
way to the
rocked. Oh my
13-yard
goodness.
line.
Got
Now a
rocked.
timeout's called. Cleveland using its second. And with another one gone, they're going to have just one remaining this game. Shotgun handoff now to Cook.
It's okay, because James Cook is, before the playoffs, I'm trading him. I have to. I have to look at the offers and look for people on defense. I'm starting Maxwell Harrison. I don't care. He's a good corner. And he starts in the NFL. Why does he start in the game? I don't know. But
Allen to throw. Vacates quickly left side.
oh, that was so close, bro. Okay, I think we go. I'm not going to do this play. We'll get inside zone.
Straight ahead, here's Cook.
Off of us.
And finally
Come
they
on.
bring him down. He shook off a couple of defenders there on a nice pickup.
But I'm just telling him what it tells me. I probably want audible in the playoffs.
They're going to mark this as a 24-yarder. Prater puts it through.
We'll kick a little field goal.
Push it to double digits in a
We'll
two-possession
kick a little
game.
field goal. We're going to lock in. I'm going to send the rest of the game. So, it's going to be all simmed. It's going to be all simmed.
The Bills fight their way to a win
So,
on the road.
Buffalo Bills win
And I know
17 to
it's
10.
different for every sport,
Let's
Brock. So
go.
Is this the
Okay,
point where we'd say
after
this
this,
winning streak
I'm
is
gonna
official?
sim
Might have something
against the
to
Eagles.
It. 3
I'm
wins
going to
in a
sim
row
against
now
everything.
in
We're
this
going to
latest
sim to the
trial.
playoffs. We're going to sim to the playoffs. Let's go. Okay, we're going to sim now. We're going to sim for week 17. We're going to sim. Oh, I should have just simmed to the playoffs. What am I doing? Now I have to wait. Okay. Okay, now we sim to the playoffs. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Bro, look at this McBride card. I pulled it. Okay, I just simmed, bro. I just simmed. Let's lock in. We beat the Eagles 47 to 14. What? I simmed it. I simmed it. I simmed it on everything. I simmed it. On everything I simmed it, bro. What? There's no way we beat the Eagles 47 to 14. What the heck, dude? Now we upgrade some players because they're lucky frauds. Now we fix our lineup a little bit. Let's see the conference standings. Wow. The Eagles. We're talking about the Eagles. I mean the Patriots. Why did I say Eagles? Because we demolished the Eagles, bruh. I think go trade. And we go trade finder. And we put James Cook on the trade finder. Let's go find. Ugh. Darius Toney. We really do need a. There we go. This. Did I have a good running back? Oh, come on, don't. Oh my goodness. I think. Okay, this is a trading process. Oh my goodness, this is a fair trade. I think. Yeah. Okay. We traded. The Ravens. Hopefully, we beat them because. Wait, who did we trade? We trade James Cook to the Commanders, bro. I forgot, bro. Okay, he walks out with Ray Lewis. Is it? Whoa, this is sick, dude. Oh my goodness, I've never seen this entrance. Let me shut up. Looks amazing, bro.
We've reached the end of one in this opening round of the AFC
Bro.
playoffs. 7-0 is our score. Back to the bench
Let's go
in just a
Buffaloes!
moment.
I still can't believe we beat the Eagles. We already beat the Eagles 47 to. Terry McLaurin's 82. Number 82. Yeah, we're
Allen
switching
setting
that.
up to throw.
Before.
Shakir with the grab. And
Go
into the
Reed,
end zone.
touchdown!
Touchdown, Buffalo. The
Let's
Bills
go.
take a 13-0 lead.
I'll play the number, bro. I'll score every drive. This is pitiful defense,
Third down,
too.
and they need to get 10. Here he goes, 3rd and long. Johnson here on
That's
the
why Ty Johnson starts.
and he's short
I don't
of the
think-
first after a mile gain.
I was gonna say I don't think James Cook would have caught that, but he
The
definitely
NFL
would
in
have.
all sorts of different ways, but defensively, in a league where you're just not
If you
getting
punt
as
in
much
Madden,
training
you're terrible at
camp,
the game.
you're not tackling.
Guys into the red zone before someone can force him out. All right, they look set now. Here we go, 1st and 10. Working inside the red zone. Chased out to his right.
Go up!
This one's going to hit the
Oh my
ground.
goodness.
Incomplete. He's looking for his running back.
Don't
there. Gonna
emote,
send him
bruh.
back to the drawing
You don't
board
deserve
now
to
for 2nd
emote,
down.
bruh. My guy was not moving!
Allen gonna throw again. Flushed out of the pocket. Toward the side of the end zone, but that one's incomplete. So after that prior incompletion, we've got 3rd down. We'll air it out on 3rd.
Would he would have caught that though? Touchdown! Terry McLaurin!
Let's take a 20
We just got him too.
Terry McLaurin with the touchdown.
We just got
A
him too.
receiver this skilled,
We just got him too. Come on. Okay, I think we go 4 verticals.
So 1st and 10 now.
Okay,
from the 30.
so the rules for I haven't told you guys the rules yet. The 3 plays that it shows me, I only get to pick one of those. I can
Looking
audible
from the
once
gun,
per
it's
game.
Allen. He put everything he had into this one.
Oh!
Incomplete.
I thought he was gonna
Hang
catch it.
on through the contact.
thought he was gonna catch it.
Incomplete pass, 2nd and 10 now from the 30.
I haven't audibled yet this game.
Ready from the gun, it's Allen. Buying some time right.
I don't need to. Spin move.
Quickly on the slant.
Cooks!
And they're going to bring him down just a moment before he's able to break it across midfield.
Not James Cook though.
That one goes for 17 yards and moves the chains. Here's 1st and 10 from the 47. Play action now with Allen. Got a lot behind this one. Downfield it goes. Good
Oh my
coverage on that
goodness.
ball downfield. Throw
I thought it
knocked
was
away.
there.
That's gonna send it back
I
to the
thought it
line
was
for
there.
2nd.
This stuff feel weird. Halfback slip screen.
To throw again, it's Allen.
Yeah.
Going with the screen to Johnson.
Ty Johnson.
Drives this across
Woo!
midfield and down into enemy territory.
I am the first down.
Here they
Whoa,
go, again set
whoa.
for 3rd and
Okay.
4. From the shotgun, it's Allen. Escapes the pocket. And he let his man shoot.
We're a bunch of
Touchdown.
frauds, bro.
Incomplete.
We're a bunch of
Fourth down
frauds.
coming up.
We're a bunch of
we
frauds.
see this
No.
all the time.
If you play in Madden, you're bad.
See NFL
Come on.
defenses do to try to force that 4th down. Gets down coverage. Put your cover guys on the field. Let the boys up front cut it loose with pressure. Let the cover guys
That's why
go
we
shut it
punt.
down.
And he can't do it himself.
That's why we
He's stuck
punt.
behind the line.
Oh
We've
my
got to turn the
goodness,
ball
bro.
down.
You know,
So stupid. That's why we put.
So on
Whoa!
4th
I have to
down,
make a.
out comes the Bills
Ooh.
field goal unit and Matt Prater. From the left hash, this would be 43 yards.
Let's go!
Prater puts it
Let's
through.
go!
And
Okay, I think we won. I think I just said I'm not gonna play the rest of this game.
Bills fight their way to a win on the road. And you never want to
14 and 4.
Once the
Come on.
postseason begins, right? We've seen a few go on magical runs before, and they've officially begun theirs here.
Hopefully we beat
Fighting
New
their
England in
way
real
to
life.
next week's divisional round games.
No. Bro, we smoked the Eagles, bro. Not in real life, but in the game. We beat them 40. Bro. That was insane, actually. Okay, we're doing sim. We're gonna look at the bracket. Who won? Who didn't win? who fell and who fell off. Come on. Who fell and who won? Let's look at the bracket. Patriots fall to the Chargers. Wow. Bears lose to the Green Bay. Tampa Bay. How did Tampa Bay won the division? What? That's not happening in real life. That's insane. The Eagles beat the Rams. That's not happening in real life. Wow. Now we have to play Jacksonville. Look how many people. Travis Hunter's out. Oh yeah, I don't have. I'm tweaking. League. 10-7. Not happening in real life. Okay, let's go. Play the moments. Come on. Rebuild. I think I sim. I have to sim. I have to sim one playoff game. I have to. Come on. Come on. Come on, Buffalo. We can beat them. We can beat them. Let's go! Oh my goodness, let's go! By 1 point! By 1 point! We sim this one. We have to sim it. We have to sim it, chat. We have to. We have to. We have to. Please. Please, this is our chance. This is our chance. This is our chance. Did we win? 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 I don't think we won. Oh my goodness! Josh Allen won MVP! Oh my goodness! Let's go! We have to play this game, bruh. We have to play this game. We have to. We have to. We have to play this game, bruh. You know, we have to rep these jerseys. We have to rep these jerseys. We haven't repped these jerseys ever. Well, this game. Well, yeah, we haven't repped the jerseys. The Eagles don't have any. Let's make it fun, bro. Remember, we beat this team already this season. We beat this team already in this season. The Super Bowl!
Since the Packers and Chiefs met down in Southern California in what would come to be known as the first Super Bowl. But now, at modern Levi's Stadium in Santa Clara, we are counting down to
The
Super
Eagle
Bowl
Green.
60, and we've got a
The
great
Eagle
matchup.
Green.
Tonight, it is all on the line. We play for the Lombardi Trophy, as it'll be the AFC champion Buffalo Bills taking on the NFC champions.
That's our team. That's our team.
Brandon Gordon along with Charles Davis, and what a season it's been for our AFC champions. And this was a fight just to get to the Super Bowl. You got to figure that they are very
Let's
battle-tested.
go. Let's go, Buffalo.
You don't get there without having those types of attributes, and that's what you look for in a Super Bowl team.
That's beautiful.
These guys don't have either one of those. Now they're here. Now they're ready to win.
Come on. Want to skip moment? Are we skipping? No, I have to play. I always wanted to play in the Super Bowl with Buffalo.
Here in the first, but a third
But I
down
can't because they never make the
situation
Super Bowl when I
forthcoming.
sim
Let's
them.
get into the action. Here's Allen.
Ray Davis? Ray Davis gets first down.
Davis. And close to a
I'm not
first
kicking a field
down,
goal.
but
I will
see
kick a
the
field goal.
close fist
I have to play by the rules,
and
bro.
that means fourth down.
It's too short.
Prater's kick is good.
Wow. I barely put power on it. Wow.
3 points, probably not going to win this Super Bowl, but at least you get something.
At least I get something. We're winning. Okay, I can't change this play. Whoever I am, I can't move. Oh, I'm Nick Joey Bosa.
And they'll run forward.
Got him! Got him! Got him! No way! What a defensive play! Oh my goodness!
Saquon Barkley denied
Let's
on
go.
fourth down. And the Bills are going to get the foot.
Oh my goodness! Let's go!
So a third down situation coming up as we drop you in the action. The ball in the red zone, 3rd and 2. He'll try to pick it up himself. Pass taken in by his big tight end.
Where's that perfect? Because I am.
First and goal
Gotcha.
coming up as they find a way to convert there on 3rd and 1. Now Allen.
Ray Davis! We don't need no James Cook.
Touchdown. Ray Davis, a 7-yard touchdown grab. And they are able to add on to their advantage.
Well, this is pretty fun.
But CD, you know he's got great options at wide receiver, tight end, but there he looks to the backfield, and it results in a touchdown.
I love how you laid that
Let's
out.
go.
So many options. You made me forget
Oh.
about some of the ones that you should be covering.
Let's
And they made 'em
go.
pay with that one, didn't
Let's
they?
go.
Forget about the guys in the backfield.
That's way to start the first half. I think Terry McLaurin's wide open, bro.
Now Allen off the bootleg.
Terry McLaurin! Oh my goodness.
But it's
He,
incomplete.
bro, come on. Remember, we do have Terry McLaurin on this team.
As you see, they have dealt with their fair share of injuries this season, but Charles, that hasn't stopped them from putting together a very solid campaign, a very good record thus far.
I think a lot of credit
Ty Johnson.
goes to go
Oh my goodness, Ty Johnson almost got in there.
praise the head coach for holding the team
Let's go.
together. But to me, it's the guys in the locker room
ISO.
putting on the
ISO.
uniform.
I don't know the ISO.
Those starters who've
Is
stayed
this?
healthy,
I think so.
they've welcomed
Ty
the
Johnson,
backups into their
number
ranks
26.
and
Up the
showed
middle,
them
let's
how
go.
to get it done.
Woo!
Ty Johnson. taking
Emote on him.
it from the
Emote on
yard.
him. I can't do that.
And the Bills continue to
I
look
can't do that
good
either.
here in the first half of it.
Oh, wow. Well, they put points on the board. We respond with points on the board. I think we won this.
Fourth quarter, and it's kind of getting to be desperation time
Fourth
here
quarter.
for this defensive side. They need to get the ball back to their offense. They have a chance to do that on 3rd down. Out to the flat here for Johnson.
Ty Johnson.
Get this one down near the
Ty
20-yard
Johnson. Oh
line.
my goodness. We're unbeaten by 40 points, bro.
On play action, Allen. Look at the big man rumble.
Boom!
Take it into the
Boom!
end zone. Buffalo touchdown. Dalton Kincaid, a 15-yard touchdown grab. And the Bills are starting to pour it on in the game's biggest stage. They are running
Let's
away
go.
with the Super Bowl.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm not letting them score again. I can't. Jalen Hurts about to get hurt. Joey Bosa again. Joey Bosa
And they
again.
are going on 4th down. And
Well,
he's not gonna
well.
get there. Might have even lost a yard.
We beat them by this.
And
This
we are
exact
inside
score.
at 2.
We beat them by this exact score in the regular season.
So it's a victory
Let's
for
get
the
it!
Buffalo Bills.
Buffalo
And we talk
Bills
so
with
much
the
about
Super
turnover
Bowl
battle
in
determining
season
who wins
1.
and who loses.
In
This
season
game, no
1.
exception. They
Let's
didn't turn the ball
go.
over at all,
Let's
and they go on to
go.
victory.
Oh
They
my
looked like a smooth
goodness.
operation in this one, didn't they? Because you
Wow.
look at every facet of
Ty
the game, they
Johnson!
handled their business.
Let's
Offense took care of the football,
go.
converted it into points.
Aw.
Defense took the ball away, gave it back to the offense. Special
That's
teams
insane.
right there
The
with them.
MVP,
That's the
Super
type
Bowl
of game a
MVP.
coach is gonna
Oh
really
my
love and
goodness.
value. And when they show the film, they have to be careful not to give out too many kudos and kill their motivation going forward.
We finally
What a
did it.
moment. Commissioner Goodell set to present the Lombardi Trophy to the Buffalo Bills. They are your Super Bowl 60 champions. So that'll conclude another captivating season